welcome to SAP. Haven't seen you for a long time. Do you guys remember our LED triangle side window for JETOUR G700? We have designed the UAE map on it last time, but today I will show you our 3 new patterns on it. For the UAE and the Saudi version, we designed them based on the color scheme of national flag and the topographic map. For the Palestine version, we designed it based on the Palestine flag and Free Palestine. Palestine's color and Palestine's hope. Say no to the war and hope peace for all. The side window is fixed on the 3rd row left side. Let's go to fix them on the cut together. The triangle window is fixed to this position by adhesive. If you want to remove it and attach again, we match the extra adhesive for you. As you can see, we designed the groove here to avoid cover the loudspeaker. Let's fix it now. Then stretch the edge to fix it. Plug it to the side window. Plug the USB side to the car side create lighter adapter. Then connect to the power. Now let's start the car to see the effect. Okay, that's all today's video. Thank you for your watching. And next time we will replace our front grill by Middle East version. Welcome to Follow SAP. We will show you more new accessories for this car. See you!